Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you been trying to perform factory reset operation on your device, but your factory data reset option is grayed out. Now, there are several reasons why an error like this happens. And the first one is that your TV is still launching. It requires some time to launch all the options in settings and also all the applications in it. So just take your TV a couple of minutes before trying to do that again. And then try to go back into the previous settings menu and try to perform factory reset operation. But if you've been waiting for longer than that, then this must be something else. And the first most common reason for that is that your TV is connected to some other device and you cannot perform factory reset operation due to that. So check your USB ports, check your HDMI ports, make sure that your device is only connected to its one connect box, and one connect box is of course connected to the power outlet, and then try to perform factory reset operation once again. And in case this isn't the reason too, then you should try entering the hospitality mode and turning it off. And to do so, you're gonna have to press the combination of mute button, then top, bottom, and OK. So mute, up arrow key, down arrow key, OK. And then just wait for the hospitality mode to appear on your screen. And if you see that the hospitality mode is on, then press OK, then press left arrow key to turn it off, and then hold your power button for a couple of seconds to let your TV turn off. Then let it wait for a while and launch it once again by pressing the power button once again. And after that, you're gonna have to give your TV some time before factory data reset option becomes available again. So let the TV launch and let's go straight to settings. All settings. Now let's navigate down to general and privacy. Yeah, and it's still not available, so let's give it a couple of minutes. Okay, so it's been literally like a couple of minutes, and right now the factory data reset operation is performable. But if you still have this issue on your TV, even after longer time of waiting, then you can try to perform factory reset operation through this service mode. And now this is not an easy thing to do if you have the original remote control like this one, because you cannot do it with it. So you're gonna have to either get yourself an Android smartphone with that supports infrared communications with TV, so that you can install a remote control on it, a remote control application from Play Store, and then using this remote control perform a press the combination of keys that I'm going to show you right now. Or you can just use an advanced Samsung remote control like this one. And so no matter which you are using, you're gonna have to press info, then menu, then mute, and then power button. But before all of that, let's power the TV off. Info, menu, mute, power button. Then let your TV turn on. Hope I didn't press the buttons in the wrong way. Let's wait for a while. No, think not. Okay, and now we are in the service mode. So what we want to open here is the option section. Now I'm gonna be navigating using the original remote control here. So select option, then press OK. And the first option here is factory reset. Now all you have to do is select factory reset, then perform it using this menu. And so once you perform factory reset operation, all data on your device, all data, all info, all accounts will be erased from your device. So that's basically it at this point. I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.